everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. In today's session, let us see how to pass payment voucher entry in Tally ERP9. So let's start. So to open a payment voucher in Tally ERP9, the shortcut key is F5. Basically, payment voucher records all the bank and cash payment. For example, paid salary, paid office rent by check and so on. Now to display payment voucher, go to Gateway of Tally, select Accounting Voucher and press F5 key to open payment voucher. Next we'll see the example of payment voucher. As I said earlier that to open payment voucher, the key is F5. So we'll see one example. The example is paid salary rupees 20,000 in cash. Okay, so we are doing payment of salary, so this entry will come under payment voucher. So the journal entry of this example is salary account debit 20,000 to cash account. Okay, 20,000. Now cash is a real account and salary is nominal account. So apply the golden rule of accounting and make the journal entry. So journal entry is what? Salary account debit to cash account. Okay. Now remember one thing, before you pass the above journal entry, you have to create the ledger. Okay. So over here by default in Tally, cash account ledger will be there. Now you have to prepare salary account ledger. So you will put the salary account under indirect expenses. The group for salary account is indirect expenses. Salary is indirect expenses. So let us see how to pass the entry, this example entry in Tally. So open Tally ERP9. First create your company and now select accounting voucher, press enter. So key is F5, press F5 key to open payment voucher. And I said that the journal entry will be what? Salary account debit to cash account. So create salary account ledger. Okay, so to create salary account, press Alt C. So ledger will be created, shortcut. Okay, salary account. So create salary account ledger. Under indirect expenses, salary account, you will put salary account in indirect expenses. Press enter, enter, accept. Okay, so salary account, you have to debit 20,000, credit cash account. Okay, select cash account 20,000. Narration being salary paid. Okay, in cash. And accept this, press yes to accept the payment voucher. So in this way you can record, you can pass the journal entries in payment voucher. I will repeat again, payment voucher only records all bank and cash payment. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to pass the journal entry in payment voucher. So thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video.